For patients suffering from organ failure, a transplant is their last hope. However, the shortage of organs has been a serious problem. But what if we could make an organ available anytime someone needs one? Plus, there are a number of unusual diseases that don't have a method of treatment because there aren't many cases to research. But what if we could find a way to cure those diseases in a shorter time? There is a researcher who is trying to solve these problems, not with a medical science, but with a little help. This is Professor Nagashima at Meiji University.
I'm originally a reproductive biologist, and I have been working on developing artificial reproductive technologies.
And the help he gets is from this guy. Yes, Pig the hero. So cool. Because pigs have a similar body size to that of humans. Nagashima-sensei borrows the pig's body to study the treatment of human diseases.
My technical background and knowledge led us to the new research area, which is application of genetically engineered pigs to the research of organ transplantation, organ regeneration, and genetic diseases.
He has been researching various subjects such as cloning or genetic manipulation, and his freeze preservation technique doesn't harm the egg. This was a breakthrough in vitro fertilization. By applying the technique of gene manipulation to medical science, he found that model animals could save humans' lives. Currently, he researches two subjects. 1. Making transplantable organs. 2. Researching the cases of diseases. And for him to do this research, he needs the pig's support. Now, let's find out more. There are thousands of people who are waiting for a transplant in order to survive. And what Professor Nagashima is trying to do is grow an organ inside of the pig's body. By putting human iPS cells into a pig's body, you can get an organ that is available to those who need it. In the near future, patients won't have to be on a waiting list anymore.
In fact, a lot of researches have been done in the last 2 decades.
Uncommon diseases are difficult to find a way to cure because we don't have enough cases. You never know how long it will take to find the right treatment or medicine. The simplest way to study these diseases is to do more research. We generate the unusual condition in a pig's body so we can examine what is going on. And by repeating this process over and over, it doesn't take much time to discover how to deal with these diseases.
We have so far developed several lines of genetically engineered pigs as models of human genetic diseases. Those animals include diabetes, muscular dystrophy, hereditary metabolic disorder, polycystic kidney disease, dilated cardiomyopathy, ALS, and Marfan syndrome.
The progress of medical care needs experimental models. Professor Nagashima creates these models to discover cures for diseases. He has received many supportive voices from patients and their families all over the world.
I believe that disease model pigs that we have developed are useful for developing therapies with drugs for those patients. My dream is to see myself that some of the patients cured by the therapy developed our pigs.
Always advance. Meiji University.